Officers usually have problem chasing sport cars, but they may get lucky today. On August 23, 2022, Aransas Police noticed a silver Corvette with illegal window tints. It seemed like a minor issue, so when they pulled the car over, they didn't expect anything out of the ordinary. But as soon as the Corvette stopped, the situation took a surprising turn. The driver suddenly sped off, only to stop again a short distance away to let his passenger out. Clearly, the passenger wanted no part in whatever was about to go down. Then, the car sped up and disappeared from sight. The officer tried to keep up, but the Corvette was too fast, quickly vanishing from view. As minutes passed, it seemed like the chase was a lost cause. After a few minutes of driving around, suddenly everything changed. The Corvette was on the road once again. But soon after, it managed to slip away from the police once more. As heavy rain began to pour, the officers decided to call off the pursuit for safety reasons. Unfortunately, they were unable to track down either the driver or the passenger who had bailed out earlier.